Hi there, friends and neighbors. I'm going to show you how to do Real Data Homework 10. This is simple linear regression and bivariate correlation. That's what we're going to do. So you go down to the unit that has this assignment, go down to the week that it's in, and inside of that you'll find the unit that it's in, and then you'll find Real Data Homework 10. So I'm going to click on that. First things first, you can choose group members if you want. Just click on their names. One important caveat is the first time you click on this is your only chance to choose group membership. If you choose record group and continue, that's it. That's your group. If you want me to reset your group, that's fine. Just send me a message. I'm happy to do that. But if you intend to work as a group, you have to wait, and you have to choose the group members that you want to work with when you go. Otherwise, you will be working alone. That's okay. It's up to you. Just want you to be able to make that choice intelligently as you choose. Okay, so click continue. This is links to these videos that don't exist yet. Here's where you find the data set. Click on it, save link as always. Now I have the data set already saved, and probably so do you at this point, but that's the first step. You need to save the data set someplace that you can find it again. Okay. Next, here I've got an example, a PDF written example of the assignment showing you how to do the new steps, how to do the regression and the correlation. Here I've got these videos that will be here eventually. I'm making them now, right? So then we scroll down, and so you're going to need R, you're going to need R Commander and Easy R. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a complete results section for a correlation analysis. First thing we need to do is open R. You double click on your R icon if you're using Windows or Mac. If you're using Mac, you have to run Xquartz first before you run R. If you don't have R installed on your machine, you have to use VMware, and I have other videos that show you how to do all of those steps. And again, I have got R Commander and EasyR set to automatically load. If you don't have yours set that way, that's okay. Just means you need to type the command library R Commander, RCMDR, and you hit enter, and then when you get there, you go Tools, Load R Commander Plugins, you have to choose Easy R. There are many videos that show you how to do this. I'm going to move on. File, Import Data, Text File. I'm going to give it a cool name. I guess I'll call it Classy. It's a class data set. Okay. Go to the folder where you saved it, and go find the file. Okay. Data from Stat Survey. There we go. Now I'm ready to rock. Let's go read the questions. First thing it asks for is the descriptive statistics. We're going to get the univariate descriptive statistics and then the bivariate descriptive statistic, which is the Pearson's R. So I need the sample size, sample mean, and standard deviation for nose. The same thing for hand. Statistical analysis, Statistical analysis, continuous variables, numerical summaries. That's how you get your numerical summaries. The first thing it asked for was nose, so I'm going to do this for nose, and then I click OK. Here's the mean. It is 101.6-ish. Now I have it set to accept a little bit of wiggle room. 101.6. The sample standard deviation is 260.9. Bear in mind that these numbers are not going to be the same necessarily for your quarter, and also even the variables themselves are not necessarily going to be the same, but the steps are exactly the same. This is how you do it. Now the sample size 49, and there we go. Now I'm going to do the same thing for hand. Statistical analysis, continuous variables, numerical summaries. Choose hand, click OK. Now 20.1 is the average sample hand span. 20.1. Standard deviation is 5.9. It's 5.86 something, so 5.9. And the sample size again is 49. That will not always be true because sometimes there will be missing data, so sometimes the n will not be the same.